here's a mass airflow sensor. And now we're going to unscrew the screws holding in the mass airflow sensor. Alright, there we go. And then from there, we're just going to get the cable off. Let's go ahead and do that. So, you can pop that out right now and see if we can remove this cable. This one's always kind of giving me a little bit of issues, but there we go, it's off. So, in here to the light, compare what we're looking at here. Alright, so here we are now. We have the old mass airflow sensor looking a little dirty on this side, and that is the intake side, so yeah. And I think that is what's causing my, what do they call it? Rough idle. Here's the new mass airflow sensor, which we compare where they're supposed to go in. That diode is, the whole thing in there is covered, and it's definitely a little burnt. So we'll go ahead and plug this into the car. As you can see, this one is actually the OEM Toyota. This one is a aftermarket one. I don't have the money to afford Toyota ones right now. Go ahead and put this guy in. Alright, so now we're back over here. We'll go ahead and slot on the connector. There we go, connector is slotted on. Grab our tiny little screws here. And they're tiny for sure. And then we'll go ahead, seat that in there, and put that in right there. Go ahead and screw it down. And then grab the other one. Go ahead and drop it in there. Into that slot. Alright, and tighten this one down. Alright, and there we are. Alright, the sensor is connected. Now all that's left is to go ahead and turn her over. Saying about 1,000 RPM, which is a little high, but then again, like I said, it's doing its throttle relearn. Oh yeah. We're definitely burning high while it's figuring this out. This is supposed to be in between a 2 and a 4, and we're at 5.5 right now, so we'll see what happens. Air intake's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at 2.3, we're trying to get down to 0, so it's got to relearn it real quick. Yeah, whew. 5.3. Alright, so I will see you guys back again in about 15 minutes. Hood clamp. Drop the motor down. Put the hood down. And go ahead and go test drive. It's kind of weird on my head. Alright, so we get the car. We still have some vibrations in here. The whole reason I was doing this was to try try to eliminate some vibration that I was getting while at idle. Because I was idling really bad. So this is a no radio. We'll turn our DRLs back on. AC does not need to be on at the moment. Again, we're kind of just looking to see how she's going to perform here as we take her for a quick trip around the neighborhood. I do want to try to get some stops in just while we're doing this, just this way it's there. But yeah, if you guys like this kind of content on how to, you know, I'm not even sure this is gonna fix my issue, but if you guys like this content on how to, you know, fix things at home in your car for cheap. I mean, the thing was, I looked at the Toyota dealership, and they wanted nearly $100 for this part. You go to AutoZone and you do all those other ones that are similar, and they're gonna cost you 90, 80 bucks. I bought this one off of Amazon. I will see how well this throttle body this mass airflow sensor works, and I'll let you guys know. You know, it's not gonna be anything too crazy. I mean, the stop, we're in drive at idle. There's still a little bit of vibration, but nothing too serious. Reduce the vibrations quite a bit when we come to a stop. So just sit there and shake and shake and shake and shake like she was doing. I don't have any video footage of that for you guys. I apologize. I should have filmed that prior. So when we get down here to this end of the program, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop like on a stoplight. So I'm gonna stop for like at least 30 seconds. Just kind of simulate it being at a stoplight and letting it idle there. So here we are. We're gonna come down. I'm gonna turn on the blinker. There's nobody behind me, so we're good. So I'm gonna come to a stop here. Looks like our RPMs are staying pretty steady. Sun is out in force today. It's gonna be hot. All right, and with that, light is green, and we're good to go. So, with that test, I can confirm that we are doing pretty good. No, I want to keep going off the road. Now we're doing pretty good, actually. That fixed a lot of the shakiness that I wanted to get fixed. Money and the time to do it, I'll be replacing the intake manifold. It is rattling, and I know that these 2.4 liters from Toyota during this time frame, they are known to rattle on the intake manifold. It was a manufacturing defect, and it's not harmful to the car. It's just kind of one of those annoying sounds that will always make you think that something is wrong with the car. So I'm probably gonna go through and replace that at some point, maybe with another version. You know, maybe we'll upgrade this to be the Sport Camry or whatever. But we'll see what happens. Alright, but here we are at the end of our test drive. Pull right back up in here now. And that's complete, y'all. So with that being said, that is how you replace your mass airflow sensor on a 2.4 liter Camry from the early generations. And honestly, this goes for most vehicles, really. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and you'll see more content soon.